This is a 2011 Holden Cruize, how to remove the radio. I actually haven't done one of these for a little while now, but I believe we start down here. With this trim, there's a gap there. Okay, so once you've pulled that trim out, there's two white connectors. You just unplug those. But this grey part, you have to slide that up first before you can push on that part. Next we need maybe a 8mm. Maybe a 7. So it is a 7mm. So let's start here. Undo that screw, that screw, that screw, and do the same on the other side. So I've just undone all those screws now. So start taking all this stuff out. Well, it appears as though I might have done the wrong thing, but I have definitely done this way before. Oh, we'll take this out and see what happens after that. Better removal tool, here we are. I think we're still on the right track. So yeah, careful as you can, pulling things apart. Oh yes, that's why we need to pull the bottom section out, because the radio won't get past this part here. And I also believe if you're going to install a new radio, you need to cut that plastic down there. But just see how your new dash kit lines up with it, and just see if you do or not. Don't just go cutting it if you don't need to. But yeah, so that's how that works. So undo that. It doesn't want to come out yet. That's fine. I'll take this, undo this part. That actually needs that bottom section removed. It won't be hard to get out, it's just a matter of just being a little bit stubborn, that's all. There we are. There we are. Out it comes. Oops. You can unplug it. I might just leave it there. It looks fine. unplug that one. Unplug that. Sorry about my thumbs being in the way, but that blue little clip just has to come out before you can unplug it. Now, what's next? Top section. This is certainly one of the more involved processes to remove a radio. Oh, there you go. So this just clips out. Obviously it didn't look ideal, but it does the job. Unclip that, unplug it. Where are you? There you go. See if I can do this one-handed. No, I can't. And that magically disappears. And then you've got to pull that part out. Unplug those parts, and then your old radio is removed.